Hello there, stamping friends. It's Jackie Ballheist from Clump and Stampers. But today I'm talking about the Creativate retreats. I know it's only March and they're a little ways off, but I wanted to share with you a few fun details and some awesome changes we've made for our April spring retreat. Now, registration is going to open up on April 1st. So we got a little bit of time yet. Make sure that you are on my weekly email list so that you're the first to find out and be able to register, because something new and exciting. We are doing an early bird registration this time. If you register beginning April 1st, in those first 3 days, so April 1st, 2nd, or 3rd, we have a super duper awesome special bonus tutorial that we're sharing with you. 4 fun, awesome projects. And the only way to get that tutorial is to register early. Now, you want to register early for other reasons as well. We are going to begin our pre-retreat challenges on Monday, the 4th. So right out the gate, we're going to get our hands inky and start stamping. So what are the pre-retreat challenges? It's just some more fun bonus tutorials for you and a chance for you to stamp. Maybe try something new, a little different, push you out of your little stamping box, and then have the opportunity to share with others. So every Monday beginning April 4th, for 4 Mondays leading right up to the retreat, we will share a new tutorial. It's going to have 3 different card ideas, complete with step-by-step tutorials from us, but it's also part of the challenge. So we'll kind of guide you through, hey, try this challenge by doing whatever that challenge happens to be. So all the more reason to register on April 1st. Give yourself time to get registered, get yourself connected in, and start participating in those. Now, if you register after that time, that's okay. These challenges are always available, but we want to just dive in and have a whole month full of Creativate stamping fun. Okay, I shouldn't say one. A big change we're making for the spring retreat, and I am like so excited for it. We have a private password protected website for those of you that register. You don't need Facebook anymore. I know some of you just hate Facebook or aren't part of Facebook, but what we're going to do is you will get a password as soon as you register. That password will give you access to the website, and that's where you will go to find everything. That's where we'll post the tutorials as the retreat gets closer. That's where we'll post the challenges. That's where we'll post all the links to all the live presentations. Super simple, easy. Use your password and you will be able to access that anytime. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much easier for you and so much easier for us, just having it all in that one spot for you. Now, we will still have a private Facebook group for those of you that like that, but nothing's really gonna get posted there other than what you make. It'll be kind of our little retreat community. You'll be able to share your challenges. You'll be able to share projects you make and connect with others and see what others make, but completely not needed to have a great retreat experience. All of the live presentations will be done on YouTube Live, so you'll have the link to either join us live or same link, watch the replays later. And as always, we'll also give you a pre-recorded video. That'll be the shortened version without all the chit chat. That just gets right to the project for all the projects that we're sharing. What else? Let's see, it's only March, but I'm excited. We are planning like crazy. There's all this buzz going on behind the scenes, getting all the project tutorials done and videos and the website up and running for you. So I look so forward to not only being part of the retreat at the end of April, the 29th and 30th, but kicking things off April 1st when registration opens and getting you connected onto the website and ready to go for our pre-retreat challenges that'll start on the 4th. And don't forget, register right away, April 1st. You got 3 days to get in on that bonus tutorial, and you're not going to want to miss it. You're going to be super sad if you do. So make sure you're on my email list. Okay, you can join that if you aren't already on it over on my website, clumpandstampers.com. Just click join email list, and that way you will make sure that you get that email first thing Friday morning, April 1st, to register for the Creativate retreat. I can't wait to share with you. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to us. We are happy to share all about what this retreat's about and answer all your questions so that you're ready to join us. I can't wait. I hope you're as excited as I am. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.